Stop scrolling. If you drive a pickup truck, you're probably not using it to its full potential. You might have the horsepower, but do you have the utility? Welcome back to AutoRift. Today we are counting down the top 20 absolute must-have Amazon truck accessories that will instantly upgrade your organization, protection, and off-road style. We are starting strong at number 20 and working our way down to the ultimate truck upgrade. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 20, for massive storage, step up to the TRUNKCRATEPRO Extra Large Organizer. With rigid bases, multiple compartments, and a non-slip bottom, it ensures your gear never rolls around while you're driving. Number 19, stop fumbling around in the dark. With 180 ultra-bright LEDs, the Nilight 60-inch bed strip kit illuminates every inch of your cargo space so you can actually see what you're doing after dark. Number 18, say goodbye to groceries sliding to the front of your bed. The Keeper adjustable cargo bar extends from 40 to 70 inches. It ratchets tightly against your bed walls with heavy-duty rubber grips for instant cargo control. Number 17, for ultimate bed security, the PENSUN 3-fold hard tonneau cover offers armor-like protection. Built with aluminum honeycomb panels, it improves your fuel economy by reducing drag and completely locks away your tools from weather and thieves. Number 16, reaching your roof rack shouldn't require a step ladder. The Powerbuilt tire step slips right over any tire up to 13 inches wide. It holds 300 pounds, features a non-slip cheese grater surface, and folds completely flat. Number 15, for awkwardly shaped loads, grab the TIRETEK heavy-duty cargo net. This features a 5mm latex core that stretches to a massive 8 by 12 feet. With 12 metal carabiners, it locks down coolers and luggage in seconds. Number 14, take that lighting outside with the Nilight 24 LED Rock Light Kit. Fully waterproof, these pods give your undercarriage or wheel wells a brilliant glow for those late-night off-road trails. Number 13, stop slamming your tailgate. The IAQWE Tailgate Assist Shock Kit safely and smoothly controls the drop of your heavy tailgate with just one finger. It installs in minutes with zero drilling. Number 12, protecting the outside is great, but don't forget the inside. The EcoNour Truck Windshield Sun Shade blocks massive UV rays and heat buildup. Designed specifically for huge truck windshields, it stops your dash from cracking and keeps your cabin cool. Number 11, if your bed is full, the WEIZE Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier is your best friend. It adds an extra 500 pounds of capacity right to your 2-inch receiver, and even comes with a waterproof bag and cargo net. Number 10, if you drive a Dodge Ram, the Toptiny hard folding cover is a must. It features a polished shine finish, perimeter weather seals, and an easy clamping system that requires absolutely no tools. Number 9, before you load anything, you need the TripleAliners custom fit truck bed mat. This TPE mat uses 40 grip tech to stop your gear from sliding around while protecting your bed from nasty dents and scratches. Number 8, for off-road recovery, you need the Nilight 3/4 inch D-ring shackles. Rated for a massive 9,500 pounds, these heavy-duty forged steel shackles come with rubber isolators so they won't rattle against your bumper. Tough and reliable. Number 7, tired of climbing into your truck bed just to grab one bag? The LOVEETA magnetic cargo grabber extends over 6 feet to pull gear toward the tailgate. Plus, it's magnetic, so it sticks right to the inside of your bed wall when you're done. Number 6, let's tackle interior clutter. The Deosk 50-liter waterproof organizer is perfect for keeping your jumper cables, tools, and everyday gear perfectly separated. Fold it flat when you don't need it. Number 5, need to haul oversized items? The MaxxHaul Hitch mount bed extender lets you carry extra long lumber, ladders, or kayaks safely without needing to buy a massive trailer. Number 4, you can't haul safely without the FORTEM ratchet straps. This 4-pack gives you 15 feet of 2,300-pound brake strength security. With ergonomic rubber grips and coated S-hooks, your paint stays safe. Number 3, want to completely transform the look of your truck? The Kehosx adjustable truck roll bars add instant aggressive styling. They feature a built-in top basket for extra cargo and pre-drilled LED mounts. The ultimate overlanding upgrade. Number 2, tired of climbing into your truck bed every time you need your gear? The rough country slide-out truck bed cargo tray brings everything right to your tailgate with a smooth sliding design. Built from heavy-duty high-density polyethylene, it keeps your tools, camping gear, and equipment organized and secure. Its low-profile design fits under most bed covers, making loading and unloading faster, easier, and more convenient than ever. And finally, number 1, the VEVOR heavy-duty aluminum ramps. Supporting a massive 8,800 pounds, but weighing only 60 pounds, they feature a tip-proof rung design and top hooks. They stay locked in place no matter what you are loading. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who uses their truck for real work. There you have it, the top 20 accessories that will completely change your truck game. I've put links to every single product down in the description below, so go check those out right now. Which one of these are you adding to your cart first? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to AutoRift, and click the video on the screen right now for more killer automotive upgrades. See you in the next one.